Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Yoruba TV. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly click that subscribe button on your screen, like, comment, and share this program. Tell me me drag anybody. Like violence. Like violence. Me drag anybody. But about the first sorrow, Shemo, we can't go my respect arawa. Come a coin so coin sorry. Me o niggy me o crown. I'm more than crown. Next time, my big crown see. Your showing got to Kabisi or Ooni of Ife or Jaja the second. Showing got only shit him only dislike sha. To be frank, showing got him my LSH. TM me to only dislike sha. You go pé mi go bàjẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé kí n ṣe pa ti ṣàbí amọ̀gan ni àwọn go lọ application letter abẹ́ẹ̀rí oore kí lẹ̀ ń pọ́n táwa gan ò lè pọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀ ló kún yìí àtiwájú àtẹ̀yìn gbogbo abẹ́ẹ̀rí bó ṣe ọlọ́run ṣébi náà rèé in fact you can see the body is bodying. So I saw a video of Kabiyesi. And that man is just every time. Oh, come on, damn me, Lord. Gbogbo wa lọ́jọ́ ní Kábíyèsí, anybody gbogbo wa lọ́jọ́ ní wọ́n, gbogbo wa lọ́jọ́ ń fẹ́ Kábíyèsí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìyàwó gbogbo ọkọ gbogbo wa ní, gbogbo wa ló ń ṣọkọ ẹ̀. So, kì í ṣe pé it's not for one person, it's for everybody. Kábíyèsí go reach everybody. So, anybody má parẹ́. So, you comment me. Ẹ má para yín sí comment section mi. So, as I was saying, I mean, that man, his aura is pleasant. Aura, man. I saw a trendy video of Kabiyesi meeting one of his oldest friends, and you can see that. I mean, Kabiyesi doesn't hug anybody. I don't know, like a warning. You can see from the aura that the man was trying to hug him. He was so happy. He stamped his staff 3 times and he was so happy. Just imagine. Èmi ò lè jọba ọmọ mọ́. Mi ò lè jẹ́ Adeyeye ọba àbí kí lẹ máa ń pè. But kó wá lọ jẹ́ irú èmi náà fi ṣolórí. CS Kid, for example, kẹ́ wá lọ pàdé mi ní party. Màá wọ́n lọ pé ta lélẹ́yìí. Ta lélẹ́yìí. Man, you know, TS Kid, me TS Kid ni now. Kini ko lórí ní Yoruba ti rí náà, man, mi ò rí yín rí now. Mi ò mọ̀ yín rí. I mean, TS Kid bá gbà mí. I mean, if you see the aura of that man, I mean, what can Kabiyesi do? Tí I don't know. Mi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó lè ṣe tán lè fi ṣe mi. I mean, it's different. It's not power. Ṣé mo káwọn ọkùnrin kan wà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n á kó gbogbo iṣan sórí ni. It's free going. There was a video of Tatiwa àti Kábíyèsí tó sọ pé Tatiwa ò dọ̀bálẹ̀ kò kí ọba. That man just stretches out. His life is Ọlọ́run, life ẹ̀ máa wà simple. Ládùúgbò gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe fún máa yẹ lórí social media. Ládùúgbò orúkọ tó ti pè é, ládùúgbò nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí máa yẹ lórí social media. Still no, every time you see him with a smile, very respectful, very reserved. I mean, abájọ tó fi lóòdù ara wọn lọ sínú ilé. Tó bá yẹ pé àwọn gan rí opportunity láti lóòdù ara wa gan, à lóòdù ara wa lọ síbẹ̀. I swear, the man is just so nice. If you see the way he was talking to his friend, ìyẹn dọ̀bálẹ̀, he was holding him, kò fẹ́ kó dọ̀bálẹ̀. Like, I mean, and his friend to orí ìyẹn náà pé. Ìyẹn ò ṣe bí pé ẹni tó ní pàtí mo ra rí so tó bá tẹ̀ jẹ́ Kábíyèsí mi ò lè dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún ẹ. No, that one to understand the assignment, he understand the culture. He's a well-respected person too. But ó sì gbé àṣà lárugẹ, ó sì dọ̀bálẹ̀. Kábíyèsí was bringing him all. Everybody knows that man wanted to hug him. Kábíyèsí Ọ̀jájá is just one of a kind. I swear to God. Àwọn kankan wà tó bá ṣe èmi gan wò pé wow. Event so many times, people will be disrespecting him by not wanting to prostrate. When a king is a king, you have to prostrate no matter how old you are. They will be disrespecting him and don't want to portray. And this man will just, like, I don't, Shemo, I want to wà tó jẹ́ pé èmi gan tí mi ò kì í ṣe ọba. In fact, ó máa bí mi nínú. Bí a lè má sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Because we can see how people are just treating him. And he has, like he's meant to be a king. Because he has this wisdom to just let it slide. Èmi ò ní sùúrù tó gbogbo yẹn o. Èmi ò ní sùúrù tó gbogbo yẹn o. Everybody will not want to prostrate. They will just stand up. Ẹlòmíì á kàn ra baby eléyìí ní àwọn dẹ̀rẹ́. Wọn ò lè jọba láíláí. Á kàn ra máa bẹ̀. Wọn ò tẹ̀ ní dọ̀bálẹ̀ dáàrin. Á kàn ra tẹ orí báyìí. And he will just shake them and just let it slide. That's why I want Shefe. That man, I don't know what he can do to my bimino. I mean, I love the way he rules. I love the way he Komuli ayele. That's what I want to say. Komuli ayele. To ba jẹ́ pé mi ni ọba. Oh God. Oh my God. Ah, mama jí lórí bed ni. Like tí bá jí gbogbo ilé ayé gbọ́dọ̀ jí. You know now. Ẹ̀yin gan mọ̀. Ah no tí bá jí gbogbo yín gbọ́dọ̀ ti jí ni. In fact, má jẹ́ kí ilé ayé ní yín lára. I mean, the man is just so nice. Easy going, peace of mind, kò wo anybody. He just, I mean, how does things not bother him? Because I need to learn how to shemo. Nǹkan bother you. One more shame to trigger your reaction. How does he understand immediately? Comment lásán. I mean, how does things not bother that man? And they keep doing it. How does he have that patience to, well, maybe because, you know, but torí pé wọ́n ti wà nínú royal family ti pẹ́, so maybe they've taught him patience because ọba yẹn ní sùúrù o. Ọba yẹn ní sùúrù o. I swear, a lot of things the Kábíyèsí take a meeting with obìnrin gan, mi ò lè take it. Àti dá gbogbo ẹrù. I swear, because some people just they purposely disrespected him sometimes. Most of the time, I'm married to Martin crop where. But this man will just look for a way to always find the good in the bad. Do you understand? It will just make that thing disappear. I want to ask my Pino as Mama Janu conversation. How can this do? You know that kind of thing. As Mama Janu's conversation. How can this do this? How can he contribute? You know he's a king. Who are you? And Mama Power Janu conversation. And the man will just wave everything. Like he will just make peace reign. Or more. If I can get that patience in this life, I will have achieved a lot of things. Tiba niru patience, yeah, nile aye. Mate achieve a lot of things. I swear. The man is just too lovely. That is it. The man is just too lovely. Kò ní ego. Kì í ṣe àwọn ọkùnrin tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa gbé ego sórí. Imagine a man lásán ọkùnrin mi gan ò ní 100,000 no account. Ọkọ ni mi 10,000 lẹ́lòmíì máa fún ẹ. Ọkọ ni mi. Ó máa kó gbogbo ego sórí ní báyìí. But this man is wealthy, olówó. Oh my God. Hello, network there. Olówó there and control a lot of things. But what I mean is, how does he not show that? I don't know. Me, Momo Shele so. But Shemo, this man doesn't wugaga. Just imagine. Imagine that I'm his wife. Just imagine. Oh no, not in social media. Hey! In fact, I'm a you don't understand that kind of thing. Just imagine. Because I'm okay, imagine. But imagine pé àwọn nǹkan tí Kábíyèsí ń ṣe. Orí Adeyeye fit man because he knows how to handle everything. He knows how to. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí fún yín ní instance kan. Wọ́n yẹ pé mo rojọ́ látẹ̀kàn. Ẹ wo time táwọn àǹtí mi tán gbóbò lọ. Kò sí gbà táwọn sọ̀rọ̀ táwọn sọ̀rọ̀ kan yìí náà, so ẹ má bínú, ẹ ti forí yín wọlé níwájú mi. So ẹ wò gbà tán gbóbò lọ. Ìgbà tí Dorcas wá fẹ́ lọ, àwọn yẹn dẹ̀ ti lọ bà gbogbo bẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́ wípé kán má gba Dorcas, wọ́n ti parọ́ fún Kábíyèsí fún Dorcas. Ìgbà tí Dorcas dé pẹ̀lú pé wọ́n ti parọ́ fún Kábíyèsí láti má jẹ́ kán gba Dorcas. Àwọn expect pé kí dá Kábíyèsí láti gate gan ni kán ti lé Dorcas kúrò. This man, even before then, ìgbà tí Dorcas kọ́kọ́ bá Kábíyèsí sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fún, the man did not do as if, you know, he knows anything about Dorcas. Obviously, these people will have told him, or you should understand. I mean, he did not even do as if he greeted her nicely. Ìgbà tọ́mọ yẹn dẹ̀ wà, the man prayed for her. Even after hearing, I mean, we need to study. I need that type of this thing, patience in my life. Me, more orúkọ tó máa pè. I don't think it's patience. I mean, kéèyàn máa ń gbé nǹkan sọ́kàn. Even when tó ti bá Dorcas jẹ́ fún, tó ti parọ́ mọ́ Dorcas pé Dorcas àti Yẹliwé wọ́n jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀ ni. Táwọn èèyàn ti lọ ń parọ́ Dorcas, parọ́ mọ́ Dorcas lọ́dọ̀ Kábíyèsí pé Dorcas ń bú Kábíyèsí. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wọ́n ti pa fún Kábíyèsí. When Kábíyèsí still see her, he still welcome her. I need that kind of thing in my life. Because mo ṣe wà, mo ṣe máa gbé sójú ni. In fact, wá ti mọ̀ pé mò ń bẹ bínú, mò ń bẹ jà. Mi ò mọ bó ṣe ń pretend. I swear, wá ti mọ̀, máa rú gbogbo ẹ̀ sójú báyìí, gbogbo ojú mi máa squeeze báyìí, wọ́n máa wò pé kí ló dé? Wá ti mọ̀ pé ó ti ṣẹ̀ mí. But this man just let it go. Kò ní dí ẹ lọ́wọ́, kò ní sí nǹkan tó gbọ́n pa ẹ̀, táwa sọ pé ó fi máa hùwà sí ẹ. Ọ̀jájá doesn't do that. Àfi tá bá fẹ́ parọ́ mọ́ máì. Kò ní sí nǹkan tó ṣe tó máa fi, tó bá ṣẹ̀ lẹ́nìí, tó bá rí ẹ lọ́la, á tún kí ẹ dáadáa. I mean, how does he do it? I'm still wondering. Tó bá ṣe máa ilé ní á kí ẹ dáadáa lẹ́nìí o. Tó bá tún rí ẹ lọ́la, á tún kí ẹ dáadáa. Bí pé ó máa ń gbàgbé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ṣe. He doesn't even hold anything, any grudges against anybody nínú ọkàn ẹ̀. I swear. Ọ̀jájá doesn't hold grudges against anybody in his heart. He has a beautiful soul. I swear. He has a hands down. Only got more worry to jẹ́ ọba tó jẹ́ pé it's not power hungry. Ṣé ti understand? Power yẹn ò kó sí lórí. He behaves like it's normal, and he's rich. Oh, he's very, very rich. But he behaves like èèyàn tí ò máyé le ni Ọ̀jájá. Ò máyé le. Easy going. Kò máyé le. Ọlọ́run, tẹ́mi bá ní irú kíní yẹn lásán. I'm telling you. Tẹ́mi bá ní irú kíní. Ó fún mi latitude lásán gan, mo fún jẹ́ ní times 10 attitude. That's something about me. You bring it on, I bring it out for you. Bad boss ni. But sometimes if you see things like that, you'll be like, damn, I wish I have this patience. Damn, I wish I can act like this. Damn, I wish I can be like this. It's a good example. It's a good role model. I swear. That man is a good role model. Hands down. Pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí mo rí yẹn. Pé mo dẹ̀ ti rí so many things. So yeah, but this man used to handle it perfectly. Ọ̀jájá is, I give it to him. He's a very good role model. I mean, he handled that kingdom like, like a piece of cake. God, I don't know what that man can do. Some of my dislike him. I don't know. I love his ruling. I love the way he talks. I love everything about him. It's just easy and peaceful going. It's just a only nice gesture. Let's understand this thing. Only nice approach. Is that a person? Don't you put back on only enjoy your time on more coppers? I don't know. Ọba gan ló rí níjọ́ yẹn táwọn kọ́pà sádànù ò wá bá wọn àwọn yẹn rí báyìí wọ́n sádànù ní ẹ̀rù bá wọn. If you just be tó ìtajà máa ń bò báyìí, I mean, you just feel that happiness in you. That is just it. It blooms like láàárín àwọn èèyàn máa mọ̀ pé no, he has a very sweet, beautiful soul. That is just it. Nǹkan tó ní ká sọ nìyẹn. Please don't take it the wrong way, auntie mi. Nígbà yẹn máa drag mi pé mo fẹ́ lọ fọ́jà jáǹsì. Èmi ò fọ́jà já o, but I just love the way he has this wisdom. Ọ̀nà fọ́jà já ní wisdom to be able to handle things. I think that is left out when God created me, because you bring it, I give it to you. You bring it, I give it to you. So I want to marry at the local at the bimo. But when we see something nice, let's talk about it. That's just what it is. Shetibo, auntie me calm down. Me no. We are happily married. So Emi Obayin do Kabiyesi. So it's just like he's a very good king. So we have to talk about that. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop a comment in the comment section about what you think about Ọ̀jájá as a person. Let's understand this. Life story is a human as well. Oh my shame mistake, but shemo. There are some places to just pay emi gan ti mi o. How much did I have? Shemo, I won't be to yeke ko ti daru or do anything. He handle with wisdom. Shall you understand this? So that just let me know what you think in the comment section. No dragging, no shaking. You got to have any personal experience, but my was in the comment section. Me go my rojo for. So you understand being got your coso in any game. I base my fact on what I see you do, not what somebody told me about you. what I see you do, not in tí mo gbọ́ about it. That is just the difference. So let me know what you think. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Abẹ́rẹ́. If I'm a queen, just imagine if I'm a queen. Ọmọ wo ló wà ńbẹ̀? Ẹ jẹ́ n practice there. Ọmọ wo ló wà ńbẹ̀? Ta ni daddy ẹ̀ náà? Kí ni orúkọ family yìí? Mi ò gbọ́ rí. Okay, kó ṣì lọ. Àwọn wo náà ń béèrè? Mi ò sí nílé. Mi ò mọ family yẹn. The Balogun's family. Ta ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀? Mi ò mọ wọn o. Mi ò mọ wọn. Inú ọlá náà bí èmi sí. Àǹtí mi, ẹ fura yín lọ́kàn balẹ̀. Mi ò bá yín dùn ọkàn. It is what it is. God bless you guys.